Welcome back. This is Daniel Parsons, and I have a real quick video about New Year's and being able to not only help your body and get well with wellness products that are in high demand, especially the first half of any new year. And then I want to show you the possible secondary income stream that many people need. And then some people will end up building it into their primary income stream because you can do it from your home. And so I have a home office. So um, I want to quickly share with you that the products that I'm going to mention are not intended to treat, cure, diagnose, prevent any disease or illness. Income disclaimer: I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to make any money whatsoever in any program that I'm involved with. It is how I have made a living for 20 years now. And this is the 30th of December, 2024. And so Team Nutra is a company that is launching the first part of January. And so myteamnutra.com/Daniel is my affiliate link with them. It is affiliate marketing. It's not multi-level marketing, and it's not network marketing. However, you have the ability to go out and sign up as many affiliates as you want to and as many customers as you want to. And you do get incentivized by the company, and they pay you on the dollar amount of every single sale that happens in your organization. So there's no PV, there's no BV, there's no restrictions or barriers to income. There's no website fees. There's no auto ship requirements. And the products are in high demand because they're starting off with a detoxification product, and everyone needs that because the world is so toxic now. It's affordable at $35 for a 1 month supply. And then they're also starting off with a weight management, a product that is scientifically proven to burn fat. It does have the equivalent amount of caffeine as 1 cup of coffee. So please be aware of that. And so for that product, if you're sensitive to caffeine, you could take the product first thing in the morning and then just skip the second dose and then just follow some of the suggestions I have about how I lost 75 pounds 25 years ago. And how I've kept it off. Normally people get older, they put on weight, and I am the reverse. I was able to get it off and have kept it off. So, and then they also have a superfood product that is has some wonderful ingredients, including moringa, which is very, very good for your wellness. And so that product sells for $89.95, and that is for a 28-day supply. And so I have itsbetterfood.com where I've listed the ingredients in my shop about the My Team Nutra products. And so you can also contact me there on my website, or you can see my phone number and my email on myteamnutra.com/Daniel. And so the last thing I want to tell you is about the rewards. Okay, I've already mentioned a whole bunch of the key elements: no auto ship, no sign up fees, no monthly membership fees. And so for every bottle of the detox product, you earn 20%. So that's $7. Okay. So for every bottle of the weight management fat burner, you're going to earn $8. And so for every bottle of the superfoods product, you earn $18. Okay. Now, here is the real sweet thing. Every affiliate that joins you, you'll earn 20% on their purchases everything that they refer to Team Nutra, you're going to earn 10%. Now, that can be huge when you start adding up. First, you're going to have your first 5 customers and affiliates, and then your first 10, your first 20, 50, 100, 1,000, because people are going to catch on to this because they're tired of all of the balancing binary legs. They're tired of paying website fees and monthly fees just to sell somebody's products. And so they're tired of, you spend $100 and they give you 50 points of volume. So in here, you get paid on the dollar amount for every single purchase that your affiliates and your customers make. That is sweet. And so, real simple math, you can explain this pay plan to a 7th grade student in 2 minutes. 20% on all the affiliates and customers that you enroll, and then 10% on all the affiliates and customers that your referrals enroll. Okay. And then here's the kicker. Every single affiliate of Team Nutra is not competition for you, but they help build the global bonus pools. And there's 3 bonus pools that you can earn an additional 10% of income. So the owner has designed this that people that go out and work, you can earn up to 43%. He pays out 43% of every single dollar that's taken in. And this is unheard of. And so I want to strongly encourage you to, and you can, I'll give you my phone number right now. It's country code 1 for US, and that's 360-383-0265. And that's normally Pacific time zone weekdays. However, in the winter months, we're down in southern Chile where it's summer. And so I'm running off of Eastern time to better serve my US based customers. This opportunity it is, I know for sure, USA market. There could be some changes. It was planned on the Australian and New Zealand going to launch also. I haven't received an update yet from the company owner. I am frontline to the company. And so I am a very, very good resource for my Team Nutra. And so I will never say something that's not true. I did say that they were going to open in Australia and New Zealand. That could be pushed back now because I noticed there were some changes on the website today. So I have reached out to the owner and I will update as soon as possible. So this is going to be a wonderful opportunity for 2025. There's no barriers to income. You don't have to stock up a garage full of products. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars to create your own business. You just simply start selling the products and you'll make money. I highly recommend that you use what you're selling so you'll have a testimonial to share. So that's it. You've got my phone number. I look forward to 2025 being an explosive year with my Team Nutra. This is Daniel signing off for now. Bye.